Nga pala, don't forget to subscribe. Click here.
Hello guys, what's up? This is Abby and welcome back to my channel. So, I just wanted to touch something and then I also wanted to try. And this is about Instagram and Facebook. Ready na ba kayo guys? So, kunin nyo na ang mga cellphone nyo and let's get started. So, actually, it was around, hindi ko maalala, but then I saw a news way back September wherein there would be a major change. It's not really a change, but then it's an update from the direct message ng Instagram and then yung messenger ng Facebook. So, if you wanted to chat someone in the Facebook, usually we download Messenger so that we can chat with someone. Dapat meron kang Facebook account. And also with Instagram, and if you wanted to DM someone, DM means direct message. All you have to do is download the app Instagram. So, dahil may update na ngayon yung Instagram and Facebook, they just announced that they will be having an integration between Instagram and messengers wherein it will allow the users to communicate across between different platforms. So, ibig sabihin, kahit na ikaw, you have an account in Instagram and you wanted to message someone in Facebook, you don't need to download either yung sa isa, you don't need to download the Messenger app. All you have to do is, pwede mo na siyang i-message. Ang gulo ko. Hindi, I mean, all you have to do is message that individual kahit na iba pa siyang app. Ang gulo ko, no? You can chat kahit different kayo ng platform. Okay, so halimbawa, eto si person dito is using Facebook. And then, itong taong to is using Instagram. They don't need to download kung ano yung app nung ginagamit ng isa. They can talk, they can chat, kahit magkaiba pa yung kanilang platform. Yun yung pinaka-major update na ginawa ng IG and FB. But then, aside from doon, marami pa siyang features na pinapromise para sa kanyang mga users. Of course, they do also promise a lot of stickers, new and updated set of stickers. Siyempre, emoji, hindi mawawala yan. Kahit na di ba, marami silang ginawang update ever since kahit yung like and dislike button. And they also do have personalized chat colors. So, depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong theme or yung color ng chat mo. But then, ang pinaka parang ano nila ngayon is yung tinatawag na vanish mode. Oo, vanish. Yan. Curious din ako eh. But then, this update, nung sinabi nila noon is will be rolling out per region, per country. So, ako curious din ako since it was, I think, around October ko siya nabalitaan. And but today, it's already November. So, curious ako kung meron na ba siya ngayon sa ating mga applications, specifically for Messenger and IG. Ito try natin ngayon. Oo. But then, ang concern ko lang is, what if I already have my application? Let us say, meron na kasi ako ditong IG and Facebook. So, naalala ko, nung nilagyan ko ng app yung isang phone, I think I was already been asked. So, I think, I assume that yung bansa natin, Philippines, our region, Asia, Pacific, APAC, tama ba? Meron ng update. And I just verified it when I tried to uninstall yung mismong in-uninstall ko yung ating messenger. After kong uninstall, reboot, and then try ko uling in-install. Oo. So that I would see, I would check out, and I would experience wherein it would ask you to, ang tawag dito, it would update you for that specific change for the cross-app messaging. Okay. So, eto lang yung una. Una, syempre, in-uninstall ko. And after nyan, uninstall is, after nun, ay itatry uli natin mag-login. So, nag-login ako using the messenger and then I used my Facebook account as well. So, tatanungin ka, if you wanted to add yung mismong contacts, I usually choose not now. And then, after 2 selections, etong lalabas na window. Yan, yung photo na yan. And ito na yung itsura. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan, we're introducing cross-app messaging. So, you can search for and message, video chat, and reshare post with people across IG and Facebook. O, di ba nakakatuwa? And people with IG accounts, pwede ka nilang ma-search. Even if you are in Instagram, hanapin ka sa Facebook, and then Facebook, hahanapin ka sa Instagram. So, about this change, it's very, sa thinking ko, it would be helpful para hindi na napupuno yung, mo. Kasi, ang kailangan mo lang naman is i-message. But then, nagiging issue yung, siguro yung iba hindi kasya. So, with this change, all we have to do is, malaman natin itong update na to, at ito try natin. So, you can choose, learn about this change, or done. So, dahil curious nga tayo, pipiliin natin yung learn about this change na nasa baba. Ayan. Okay? So, ito yung message. Papakita natin. Pero syempre, pipicturean ko lang. Pangit. Yan. So, people with IG accounts yon. So, you can choose who can message you. So, kung yes, de-decide mo lang naman kung gusto mo bang malaman lahat kung sino. And then, who can see my active status. So, parang inaalaw mo din if you wanted someone na makita ka na active ka sa messenger mo, kahit na nagsa-search sila sa IG. And of course, does this update change who can see my story? So, this update doesn't change who can see you. So, hindi. Dapat, kung anong changes mo dun sa IG, yun lang yung makakakita. So, this is the details about your messaging and your privacy. Magulo ba? Ayan, nakikita yan. Hindi ko na i-screenshot, but then yan yung change. So, ang kailangan na, ano na bang gagawin dito? So, magbaback lang ako. Yan. Bumalik ulit tayo dun sa introducing to cross-app messaging. So, i-click na natin yung done kasi nalaman na natin yung ibig sabihin. Yun na yun. Okay. So, nagulat ako. Ayan. So, since na-try na natin. So, actually, from that moment, ita-try na natin. From that, we will try now to message. If I could message someone from Messenger to IG. Okay. So, una, tama ba? Maybe I'll try it first with myself. And then, after that, I'll be trying it kasi yun muna i-testing natin, nakakaya naman kung i-test natin sa iba. Tapos, hindi pala gagana. But then, ang importante nating ma-test natin is yung kanilang primary goal na wherein you can message someone kahit magkaiba pa kayo ng platform. Okay, so, I have a different profile picture sa IG and sa Facebook. So, sa Facebook, I have etong itsurang to, and then sa IG, may bangs yata ako doon. So, let us try now. So, I'll be messaging someone from Messenger. So, I'll search for my name, yan. So, after mong ma-search, makikita mo sa ilalim na following on Instagram. And then, yung mismong mukha ko, so, di ba, pina-follow ko yung sarili ko. So, i-click ko lang siya. And then, makikita mo na yung picture mo. So, message lang natin. So, lagay natin, testing 1, 2, 3. Yan, enter natin. Boom. Yan. So, yan. And then, pupunta ka doon sa IG ko. At titignan natin kung if I were able to search for the message that I inputted on my messenger, and if I would able to open it and read it using my IG. So, punta lang tayo sa ating IG. Ayan. And then, pupunta ako sa ating DM. Yung kidlat na icon. Ayan, nakita ko na siya. Ayan, yung message ko na testing 1, 2, 3 that I sent 2 minutes ago. Diba? So, ang napansin ko lang, ayan, yan yung photo. So, napansin ko lang dito na pwede mo siyang i-report if you received, you dislike a message from someone else. So, I think, maganda to kasi you can report it and you can manage na kung sino yung mga ni-report mo. And aside from that, if you receive a message from someone, you can also block him or her. Ayan, pwede mo siyang i-report and pwede mo rin siyang i-block. Ayan, I think itong functionality ngayon ng Instagram and Facebook, I think it's a very good update. Kasi dati rin parang ina-update lang nila, minor error in yung like, thumbs up, and then ang dami silang tapos ang dami nilang in-update na emoji. But then, etong update na to, I think this is a good one. Kasi, ay hindi mo na kailangan pang, alam mo yun, pagsanay ka sa isang application. And then, hindi available siya because that someone is using a different platform. And, alam mo yun, pati ikaw, nare-require ka na tuloy na gumawa ng account. Kahit na hindi mo naman kailangan. But then with this, it would save more time, especially if you have business with that kind of app. And I think, it's, hindi mo na kailangan, ayun, yun nga, it's very helpful siya. Especially kapag sa communication, halimbawa, kagaya ng kunwari, hindi naman lahat okay yung phone. Siyempre, bumabagal din yung phone natin. Ayun, nakakatulong yon para mas maging easier at maging convenient yung ating communication. Especially, lalo na ngayon, most people are working at home, studying at home, and eto, malaking tulong din yung ginagawang updates ngayon. Siguro ang kailangan lang natin is make sure that magamit natin yung mga functionalities ng ating mga free messengers in a good way and helpful way para sa ating everyday work and everyday school. Ayan. Ano pa ba? I think definitely I'll be using itong functionality, hindi lang para sa work or ano, but then siguro makatulong to in a way na para mag-reach out sa ating mga friends and loved ones. Kasi parang ngayon, it's a big, kasi ngayon masyado tayo, I know it's, people are now nasasanay na nasa bahay lang and we forgot to reach out to our friends. Ayan, wala nang rason na porke, ay, wala kasi akong IG account ngayon, wala ka nang mararason. Ang kailangan mo lang ay i-activate etong, actually activated na siya. Magamit lang natin siya kasi sayang. Sana hindi lang Facebook and Instagram yung may ganito. Wherein we can, ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam yung word. But then yan lang muna ang ating pag-try and definitely, i-share natin tong good news sa lahat ng tao na pwede na lang magamit at pwede nilang mag-message. If you're in Facebook, you can message someone in IG, and if you are in IG, you can also DM someone sa Messenger. Yan lang ang ating ginawang review. Etong sa bagong feature ng Facebook and Instagram. Ang tawag doon, nakalimutan ko na, cross-app function wherein you can message someone from FB or IG kahit na magkaiba pa kayo ng platform. So, yan lang ang ating ginawang review. Sana natuwa kayo sa ating video for today. Hit nyo na ang like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. Yan, ano pa bang pwede nating i-testing? So, yan lang muna ating video for today, and thanks for watching. Bye guys! Ilagyan ko ng phone yung wala pang update. Okay. So, doon pupunta ka banda doon sa may part ng, ano bang side yun? Upper right? Upper left?